Okay, what we have here is a 18-year-old Hayter lawnmower, push lawnmower, and the steel deck has rusted away quite badly. Okay, so this is in pretty bad condition, so what I'm going to do is attempt to repair this hole. Now, first off, I'm going to disconnect the spark plug so that there's no chance of it starting up, even though it's a pull one. And I've also removed the rotor, the cutter blade. So to do the job, drill, and just here is a surface preparation wheel, which you can get from anywhere. I got this one from Wix. And also a pair of goggles. I'm doing the job outside. If I was doing the job inside, I'd probably consider wearing a face mask as well. So what we're going to do is prepare the outside first, then turn it over and do the inside. Okay, so that's the outside surface cleaned up, paint cleaned off, taken back as much of the rust and stuff as I can, and now I'm going to turn it upside down and do the underside. Okay, so that's the inside cleaned, and now what I'm going to use to patch the hole is this stuff. So perforated stretched aluminium. It's uncoated. It's quite malleable, quite easy to cut. You can use an old pair of shears or even an old pair of scissors. But before I cut it, what I've done is I've got a piece of paper for a template, just to get the rough shape of what I want before I start cutting the piece of aluminium. So okay, so that's roughly what the patch will look like. So now I can cut out a bit of aluminium and get on with it. So I've cut the aluminium shape out using my templates and just moulded it up inside the housing there and inside the deck, and it's formed a pretty good shape. It's very easy to press around and shape it to the shape of the cowling on the outside. So that's what I've got left over there, and this stuff is available in most DIYs. I got this from Wix. Okay, so the next stage I'm going to do is I need to glue it from the inside, and the thing I'm going to use for that is Repair Metal for Good. It's a Unibond product. I actually bought this one from Screwfix, and the idea is to stick the patch first off and get that nice and solid, and then use the same stuff to fill in both sides. Then it will all sand down and it'll paint up as well. So I'll get on with that. I'm now going to mix up some of the repair metal, and this stuff goes off very quickly, and you should only mix up what you can reasonably apply in about 5 minutes. So here is a dollop of it out of the tin, ready to go, and I'm going to add the hardener to it now, and it says to apply 30 to 40 centimeters strip across it. Okay, that'll be enough, and then just fold it in. So I'm going to fold this in. So that's all nicely folded in now. All the yellow liquid hardener is mixed in with the main compound. So I'm just going to take it back. Well, that's the patch stuck in place. It goes off very hard, this stuff. You can even drill it if you need to. I'm not going to do anything more to the underside of this. Nobody's going to see it. But it's and that's only been in there for a few minutes. So just turn the mower over now. Okay, so the inside patch is now done. Now it's just a case of tidying up the outside patch. So I've mixed up some more of the liquid metal and just start applying it quickly. As I said before, this stuff goes off very, very, very quickly. I'll carry on with that. Right, the filler has now gone off, and as you can see, it's very solid and it's ready to work. It's only taken about 10 minutes. I've got a couple of tools here to sand down. I'm going to use a mixture of P40 sander and P80 to finish off. So let's have a look. Move some of these out of the way. And get on with it. Okay, so that's the area sanded down. It's looking pretty good. As good as I'm going to get it anyway. So I'm going to clean this down a little bit more and get it ready for a primer and just tidy it up just to protect the metal a bit more. Okay, the mower's all masked up now for spraying. Got a little bit of undercoat here. Okay. Okay, so that's the base coat on, and think about the top coat now. And I found this at the local motorist centre, Vauxhall Velvet Green, which is a pretty close match to Hayter lawnmowers. So a little bit of a shake of that one when we get the top coat on. So that's the top coat on, and it's looking pretty good. So there it is, hole as you can see, gone, pretty solid, and hopefully go on for a couple of more years yet.